In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Zoho campaigns. Whether you're reaching out to your clients or sharing the latest news with your subscribers, Zoho Campaigns makes it easy to stay connected with your audience. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open your Zoho Campaigns dashboard. You'll immediately notice a menu on the side with several options: Campaigns, Contacts, Automation, E-commerce, Library, and Reports. Each of these sections serves a unique purpose in managing your marketing efforts. Today, we'll focus on the Campaigns section. Start by selecting Campaigns from this menu. This is where you'll create, edit, and manage your email campaigns. Once you're in this section, look for the Create Campaign button, usually highlighted so you can easily spot it. Clicking this takes you to the campaign creation interface, where you'll decide on the type of email you want to send. This might be a regular email with updates or special promotions. Next, give your campaign a name. This is important for your own reference, especially when you have several campaigns running. Naming your campaign meaningfully will make it easier to track its performance later on. Once you've named your campaign, the next step is choosing your recipients. Click on the Choose Recipients option to select or create lists of contacts who will receive this email. Zoho allows you to segment your contacts into lists, making it easier to target specific demographics or customer groups. With your audience defined, it's time to design your email. Zoho offers a variety of templates to choose from. You'll find options suited for newsletters, announcements, and more. If you prefer a personalized touch, you can even create a custom template with their easy drag-and-drop editor. As you edit your email, keep your audience in mind. Craft a compelling subject line and preview your message to ensure everything looks just right. Now, it's good practice to test your campaign before sending it out to everyone. Zoho allows you to send a test email to yourself or a colleague, enabling you to view exactly how your message will appear in subscribers' inboxes. Make any necessary adjustments to avoid errors or broken links. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to schedule or send your campaign. Choose the Send Now option if you want it to go out immediately, or schedule it for a future date and time if it's better to reach your audience at a more optimal moment. Finally, after sending, revisit the dashboard to navigate to Reports. Here you can monitor the performance of your campaign in real time. Zoho provides insights into open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics vital for understanding how well your campaign is performing. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sending Zoho campaigns. Remember to regularly engage with your reports to keep refining your approach for future campaigns. Thank you for watching, and happy campaigning!